Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with a marketing tip for you today to help you grow your business and to be successful. So today I am going to do a video on, is your phone number clickable? If it's not clickable, you are wasting money. You might as well take your website, and especially if you're running ads to it, you're really wasting money. So people will say, it's clickable, it's clickable on my phone. Well, did you try? There's other different types of different ways people search. And I'm going to show you two that are, one is used a lot, but one is used in more than 50% of searches. And with that being said, is not clickable. Now today I'm going to be picking on a competitor because that's the competitor who I found that don't have a clickable phone number, and so I'm gonna, sorry if I'm using you, but this is what this is what I want you to learn, that you got to have a clickable phone number. People, if it's not clickable on your phone, I can't remember phone numbers, and it's not like the old days where you're sitting down and you're dialing the old phone or you're taking the rotary phone from the phone book. You don't do that. People got to click it, and when they click it, it's got to go to ring your phone. So with that being said, I'm going to try to do this, to record my screen and follow me through. So hope this works.
All right, now we are live. So I was just going to show you. So on the bottom down here, we have the Safari app. This is Safari. This is iPhone's way of doing things. With that being said, I can hit this button, it'll allow call, and there's my phone number. It pops up, right? That's awesome, right? Absolutely. I don't have to remember a phone number. They got one in the picture. It allows me to allow phone call, and there I am. I got it up and running. I got one down here at the bottom. I got one down here. All these are clickable. That's awesome. Awesome. That is Safari. Now, we're going to go to Chrome. Chrome is used 50% of the time. I'm clicking on these numbers. Absolutely nothing is happening. Absolutely nothing is happening means they are going to go down here and hit this button right here to back out of that. They're going to go out and they're going to go to the next person, and they're going to see if they got it.
So, that being said, that's very important. Make sure your phone number is clickable and test it. Test it. Don't just test it on one web browser. Definitely test it on Chrome. Definitely if you can test it on Safari, but Safari is only like 20 to 30% of the clicks. Chrome, you're looking at about 50. If I remember right, it was like when I did a survey just to see how many people, because I didn't believe in myself. And out of my survey, there was almost 60% of the people use Chrome on their web browser. And so Chrome, if it's not clickable, you are wasting money. Nobody's going to remember those phone numbers to go to the phone key and start punching in numbers. It's not going to happen. You can't copy and paste it over there. You can't do nothing with that phone number. So make sure that you have a clickable phone number on your website. Make sure it's mobile friendly and make sure it's clickable. If it's not those two things there, that's 50 to 60% of our searches. It's almost like 62% of our searches are mobile. And if you're not on mobile and it's not mobile friendly and it's not clickable, you might as well, you're pissing away money, pissing it away, because people are not going to click on it if you cannot click on it. That's my rant for today. I hope that helps you out. I hope you go test your landing pages, go test your website, go test everything. Test. Make sure it's working. Make sure it's working before you start spending money on it. If it's not working and they don't have a big phone number where they can find it that is clickable, you will not make money because they will back out and go to the next search result. Guarantee it. Thank you. Have a great day. If you need any information, if you need any help with AdWords, if you want to learn about Christmas lights, I got Christmas light training in October live, and hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.